Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Mr. Ostermiller, excuse me, please state your name for the record.
Jeffrey Ostermiller.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I did not have contact with Mr. Ostermiller prior to today. I'm asking for adjournment of the pretrial hearing, please.
I will adjourn this to September 17, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the People versus Christopher Banks.
People.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Banks, who is present via Zoom. I believe he's trying to unmute him, Your Honor, in front of the Spartan flag.
He's in front of the Spartan flag. I don't want to hear from him anyway. See, this is what I'm talking about. How long does it take a Spartan to unmute? Oh, no. State your name, sir.
Christopher Banks.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have discussed this matter with my client, and then I have talked to the people. There is some media reference in the police report that our office does not yet have. So I'm requesting what I believe would probably be one last adjournment to get that media or confirmation that maybe it doesn't exist before setting it.
All right. I'll adjourn this matter September 17, 2025, 9 a.m. Sonia? Oh, I got you. No response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $500. I'll give it 10% privilege on that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That warrant will issue immediately. She had another. Court does call the case People versus Daniel Bowe.
Ashley Feltus for the people. Good morning. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Bowe. Mr. Bowe, please state your name for the record.
Daniel Robert Bowe.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, you should have a plea form in your file.
I do. Plea form indicates that he's going to plead no contest, yes, to the charge of retail fraud, third degree, the 93-day offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge count, one would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name again for the record, please.
Daniel Robert Bowe.
All right, sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to plead no contest to the charge of retail fraud in the third degree. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would be the amount of the fine. You understand that?
Correct.
Or the amount of the maximum fine. All right.
Correct.
Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes.
All right. 2 things about it I have to make sure that you understand. First of all, it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that?
Correct, Your Honor.
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court would treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Correct.
Basis for the no contest plea?
Potential civil liability, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Really?
No contest. I'm sorry.
Thank you. You understand that by pleading no contest, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Correct.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
You understand that you're giving up the rights contained in paragraph 5 as well as all the rights contained on that form.
Correct, Your Honor.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Correct.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Correct.
and of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
Court has been provided and has reviewed Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case number 24-11486. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could accept the defendant's, could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Sir, I do have to advise you, between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of your sentencing, you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules. Any sentence evaluation recommendation, the court would no longer be bound by, and you would not be able to withdraw your plea. You understand that, sir?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
All right. And have I complied with the court rule?
People are satisfied. Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Defendants referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. Do I have intake here?
You do.
All right. Sentencing in this matter will be September 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. All right, bond will continue. Sir, I'll need you to wait online. We're going to put you into a breakout room with our probation department so we can get that process started. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Court does call the case of the people versus Wesley Brand.
As well as for people.
Yeah. Your name?
Wesley Ryan.
All right. This is an arraignment. Sir, you are before the court on a complaint that alleges that on or about June 2nd, 2025, at the location of 2201 Hogback Road, that being Washington County Jail, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery upon an Alton Ford. You understand the nature of that charge, sir?
I do.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
I do.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
I do.
Okay. Sounds like he's at a wedding. All right, this is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pitts. On behalf of Mr. Brand, we would waive any further reading of the complaint, stand mute, and ask for an adjourned pretrial date, please.
And in every way from a reading standing mute, court will enter not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. Whereas your invite indicates. As to bond in this case, I'll set his bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. Sir, I'm going to order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. You understand that?
Yes.
I'm also going to indicate that there's to be no possession or consumption of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
I'm also going to indicate that you are not to have any contact with Alton Ford. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
No? Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, that's my 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Is the jail up yet?
They are your.
Okay, let's get everything organized, get them going. The court's gonna take a very brief break and then I'll come back and we'll continue to go. Court's in recess. All right.
Sure. Yeah, that one's not here. It's not even out here. What are these?
Saying, cause it,
Oh,
um,
what's this piece?
he's in custody. Miss Morales is,
Oh, is she?
she's he's
She
in
is?
custody. She was, she's not in the room anymore. Maybe she'll come back. Yeah, you're even with
Which one?
one with Miss Morales.
is not available. Please try again later.
Speaking to you a little while ago. Okay. All right.